ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka Jingdawa jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka Seng Congress kabasyong hakaliang persya jong ka yeng dorbar thawaan ka jilla kala Ñiat siya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bakan late boot din siya Delhi halor ka resolution ba ka yeng dorbar thawaan ka jilla kala ay ka jingmanjur ban pentray kamno ya ki inaline permit ha ka jilla Meghalaya. Unong ilam jong kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jingikran bat kilat pathay kubor ha ka khatway terik u kalalengkot arajar arpaway ulaong babaro ki Henry Pungut ki MLA bala punkup bor da upay ba kila ay bor ya ka Sorkar jilla bakan lejbut din halor kani ka kam siya Delhi kumbala klay ka jubanlak hapo ka yeng dorbar thawaan ka jilla bat menta ka syongpat saha ka Sorkar ban Pynurlong ya kani ka jingang nut ka ba upay ba hi jong kani ka jilla Meghalaya ula khami lenti bat ula yai am laslem.
When a commitment and assurance is given in the floor of the House, it's not only to the elected representative, but to the people whom we represent, to the people of the constituencies whom we represent. It's a commitment and assurance to the people of the state. Now it is their duty to fulfill this responsibility, to prevail upon Government of India, to ultimately say that yes, they have been sincere in pursuing what they have promised. I have said it earlier. That's why in last winter session, in the month of December, you have seen this issue was raised by our members of the CLP and to draw the attention of the government, because we were promised in 2019 in the month of December. And what was the promise? I think you have to only review, you have to only reconnect with that statement, with that assurance, with that smile. That only one word has to be entered into the amendment. I think that was the assurance. So I think people have to revisit that assurance and then see that the government, whatever the promise has been made, are kept. You have to promise only when you have the commitment and conviction to fulfill it. And that is what we have been saying. And we are not playing for the gallery. And we are not going to go by what others say. We have demonstrated our conviction and our stand in the floor of the House. So we don't have to be told what to do. Okay, we know what to do as a political party, as a responsible elected representative. Diplomatic statement given by one of the members of the Union Cabinet. So you have to interpret it, you have to read between the lines. Why didn't you ask them about the resolution and the commitment of the parties who are in the government, including the BJP, which is part of the coalition? So this resolution is not adopted only by one political party. It's by collective and unanimous decision that we have adopted the resolution. So therefore, what is their stand? What is their likely response to this resolution? You have to ask them. We only want that whatever was assured on the floor of the House by the government, they must aggressively follow it up and ensure that they prevail over Government of India to agree, to comply what was proposed and adopted in the resolution.